First, we will accurately weigh 50 drim of mustard oil. Then we will put it on hot plate. Make sure continuous stirring. Then we will take 0.50 grams for activated bleaching earth. We will wait until the temperature gradually rises and reaches 90 degrees Celsius before proceeding with the next step. Once the temperature reaches 90 degrees Celsius, we will carefully add the activated bleaching earth into beaker. After adding the activated bleaching earth, ensure that the mixture is thoroughly and uniformly mixed to achieve proper dispersion. Heat the mixture for 15 minutes, while carefully maintaining the temperature between 110 degrees Celsius and 120 degrees Celsius throughout the process. After 15 minutes, filter the mixture to separate the bleaching earth from the oil. We can clearly observe a noticeable improvement in color after the oil has been bleached.